Welcome to DOLA 2-Minute Mods. Today we'll cover the Fibroma arch pad modification, used for offloading plantar fibroma nodules in the MLA. A fibroma is a palpable nodule within the medial band of the plantar fascia, typically located in the medial longitudinal arch. The nodules can range from small pea-sized lumps to large multi-centimetre masses and may be singular or multiple. The fibroma itself is not inherently painful, but direct compression loading of the nodule during weight bearing, particularly against an insole or shoe surface, causes localized arch pain. Addressing this pain can improve patient tolerance and comfort when using orthotics. A fibroma pad consists of a cushioning poron pad with an aperture. It is placed on the superior surface of an orthotic in the MLA, positioned to create a central depression or aperture over the fibroma area. It offloads the fibroma by creating an aperture or depression that eliminates the direct ground reaction force contact. Secondly, it redistributes pressure to the surrounding tissue via its raised perimeter, spreading the load across a larger area of the MLA. For this modification, we need a DOLA Pro orthotic with clinical markings of the offloading area, a pen, poron self-adhesive arch pad, and your choice of hole punch, scissors, blade, or grinder. Select the poron arch pad size and thickness needed, and mark the location for the aperture using a pen from your clinical markings. Using the cutout method of your choice, create an aperture in the poron arch pad at the marked location. In this case, we used a hole punch. Remove the cutout and assess the position and size of the cutout against your clinical markings. Peel the backing and place the self-adhesive poron arch pad in place with the aperture over the clinical markings and apply pressure. The pad is creating an accommodation over the required area. It's now time to test the function and fit with your patient. Check the positioning of the aperture and the function before covering. For more education and training, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join the DOLA Academy.